What's going on, everyone? Charlie here. We're going to talk a little bit more about loop ring and ZK rollup. And I'm going to show you something interesting I found that you probably are aware of. I'm going to go into it a little bit deeper in more detail. And yeah, let's see what's going on. So, Digital Currency Group and CoinDesk. So, CoinDesk is a global media research and events platform that was acquired by Digital Currency Group in 2016. Digital Currency Group is the biggest asset manager of crypto in the world, and they are an owner of GRAYSCALE, which is one of its subsidiaries, and basically they also own CoinDesk. Digital Currency Group does, which is the news and Bitcoin price index provider, and they publish quarterly state of Bitcoin report. CoinDesk also hosts a conference on digital currencies and blockchain technologies titled Consensus, and again owned by Digital Currency Group. Established in 2013, GRAYSCALE Investments, the subsidiary of Digital Currency Group, is a digital currency asset manager. It offers funds privately for institutional and accredited investors and publicly traded products. They are the world's largest asset manager for digital currency, and in January 2021, GRAYSCALE reported that they were managing $20.2 billion in assets. GRAYSCALE also manages the GRAYSCALE Bitcoin Investment Trust, which was the first publicly quoted security solely invested in the price of Bitcoin upon its launch in 2013. On January 21st, 2020, GRAYSCALE Bitcoin Trust became the first digital currency financial product to become a Securities and Exchange Commission reporting company. They were approved for public trading by the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, or FINRA, in 2019, and in 2018, GRAYSCALE launched the GRAYSCALE Digital Large Cap Fund, which allows the customer to invest in a group of prominent digital currencies. So why am I bringing this up? Well, GRAYSCALE, as of November 2nd, this is what you probably already know. They have been added to the consideration to be added into their assets. So that's good, because if they haven't added them yet and they're considering it, that means a lot of buying must take place at some point. So there's that. Now, if we go to Chainlink's website, just for an example, we can see that they use Loopring. And it says right here, Loopring is a ZK rollup, which is a zero knowledge rollup layer 2 for trading and payment. It's basically a trust network. Think of a ZK rollup like a Sudoku puzzle. Now, these are the other users of Chainlink, right? You have Synthetics, Compound, Loopring, AAVE, Ampleforth, Set Protocol, and many, many more. Now, what's interesting is that Loopring is the only ZK rollup layer 2 on this whole page. And if you look at some of the other prices of these cryptos on here, you have Phantom, which is right around Loopring's price. It's relatively new. You have SNX, which is at 7.4. You have Aave, which is at 229. And you have Compound, which is at 277. So I am a firm believer that based on what Loopring is trying to do and fixing the scalability problem, if they can successfully do this, it's going to be huge. And that's just one user of Loopring. So if you go to the Loopring feeds, you can actually go to the contract here between Ethereum, Chainlink, and Loopring. So, interesting stuff. It's a whole new world out there, man. But yeah, Loopring, what's that now? I mean, I think it's going places. So, hope this helped.